Okay, so when we left off, we realized that 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then we're working on 1/3 plus 1/6. And we start off by asking ourselves the question, are my denominators the same? If the answer is no, we have to make our denominators the same. All right, so here's how we do that. We think first, can I turn one of my denominators into the other denominator using multiplication of whole numbers? So, can we turn a 3 into a 6 using multiplication of whole numbers? Yeah, we sure can. So, we're going to change the side with the 3 on it. So, we're going to build a snowman. Remember, that's just your parentheses that mean multiplication. All right. So, basically, we're setting up a multiplication problem on a fraction. Crazy, huh? All right. So, how do you turn 3 into a 6 using multiplication? What do you multiply by? Multiply by 2. So, we're going to put a 2 inside the snowman. All right, whatever goes on the bottom has to go on the top too, because whatever we do to the bottom, if we multiply the bottom times 2, we have to multiply the top times 2 as well. So we're going to rewrite this fraction. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. So now I have something I can work with. 2/6 plus 1/6. All right, and then remember, we can only add our numerators, so the denominator stays the same, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Right? So 3/6, our numerator, is half of our denominator. So remember, that's also the same as 1/2. So 1 1/3 plus 1 1/6 is actually 2 1/2. All right. Now let's take a look at what that looks like as a picture on the next screen. Whoa, all right, let me clear this off. So 1 1/3, we have the 1 whole plus the 1/3. All right, and then 1 1/6. And then they took the 1/3 and they split it into 2/6. So if I'm labeling this, we have 1 whole, and then we have 1 whole. All right, and then over here we have the 1/6, and then over here we have 1/3. All right, and then what happened is they chopped the third in half, and that gave us 2/6. Or 1/6 and 1/6. So now we have 1 whole and 1 whole. So if we add those together, that actually gives us 2 wholes. And then if we take the 2/6 from here and then 1/6 from over here, that gives us 1/6, 1/6, and 1/6, which is 3/6. So that's 2 wholes and 3/6. The only thing that this doesn't really tell you, though, is that 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2 of the whole, because 3 is half of 6. So, to be totally right, we have to say that this is actually 2 1/2. All right. So, the way that we do these problems, the mixed number addition problems, is you're going to break your problem up into 2 different problems. You're going to go, I'm going to make a kindergarten problem, your whole numbers, and then you're going to make a 5th grade problem. 1/3 plus 1/6, those are your fractions. So you're going to find the answer for the kindergarten problem, and then you're going to do what we did with building a snowman. We found an equivalent fraction. We got 2/6 plus 1/6 was 3/6, and then we decided that is equal to 1/2. So in total, 1 1/3 plus 1 1/6 equals 2 1/2. All right, so that's about as complicated as it gets for fraction addition. So we're just going to continue to work on that and probably see some bigger numbers. But keep on working, and good job. I'll see you later. Bye!